Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. All right, so today we're going to be working on the E46 M3. The car started to die a little when I was driving it. Even if you put gas in it, it will just fizzle out. So I was talking to my dad, and we were just like, what could this possibly be? What could it possibly be? Because I fixed the coil packs, spark plugs, I did the valve cover gasket, and it was still cutting out. But we figured it was the fuel pump. The fuel pump is about to fail. So today we're going to be changing out the fuel pump in the E46. Let's get to work. All right, boys. So what we're going to need is the fuel pump. I ordered this fuel pump from FCP Euro. Comes with the gasket. I've already done this work on the 335i. It should be pretty simple. You're going to need a rubber mallet, and I'm going to use a pry bar. And just pry up this back seat. Should come right out. The rear seat. We're going to need some 10 mils, and alright, so we flip this cover up, and there it is, the fuel pump. Back here is a little bit dirty. I'm going to try and clean it out. Let me get it back. Now, I made the mistake of filling up my tank. The tank should be like around half tank, close to empty, but it's gonna make a big mess, and I'm just gonna have to like clean it up because I can't drive the car. The car's stalling like all the time, so let's just get to work fixing it. What we gotta do next is unplug a couple of these wires. What we need to do is squeeze this, move that first hose, and then slide this back out, just like that, and then lift. That's it. This is out of the way. Hopefully it doesn't get caught. The Jackson crossfire. Get the mallet. And full of gas over. See how much of a mess we make. Okay. It's full. It's full. Okay, so we'll just be gentle. tell me, avoid this without spilling anything? We did it without spilling anything? Let's go, boys. The new one. I'm gonna put the old one in this bag. It doesn't smell like gas, but that's it. Remove this little cap. Did it without spilling anything. Come in here like so. So this is what balances the fuel. The fuel tank it's what lets you know if your tank is full or empty. So just make sure this is not bent. Okay, so I stuck the rubber gasket in first. Makes things a lot easier. So now let's go ahead and put the new fuel pump in. Boys. That's it, boys. All right, that's about it, guys. If the problem still persists, then it's the fuel sender. And the fuel sender is located on this side. So I'm just gonna drive it around for a bit, see if that solves the problem. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.